Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are going to see how to solve simultaneous linear equation by using elimination method. As you see on the chalkboard, solving simultaneous linear equation by using elimination method. We have an example, but before to start by example, we have to know how to use elimination method. Please choose elimination method. Elimination method is performed by addition and subtraction of related term with equal absolute value of coefficient but with opposite sign. For example, here we have to solve by elimination 2x minus 5y equal 27 and 2x plus 3y equal 3. This is the same as to have 2x minus 5y equal 27 and 2x plus 3y equal 3. This is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. By looking for the variable easy to eliminate, you see that here we have 2x and here we have 2x. It means that to eliminate variable x is very simple. So remember that to eliminate or to simplify, variable should have equal quantity or equal absolute value of coefficient but with opposite sign. And here you see that both coefficient of x and coefficient of x in the second equation are a positive sign. So to make the sign opposite, we have to multiply negative sign for one for first equation or for second equation. For example, let me multiply minus 1 for the second equation. Then the equation become 2x minus 5y equal 27 and the minus times 2x it become minus 2x minus times 3y to become minus 3y, which is equal to minus times 3 it become minus 3. Simultaneous equation become like that. Then now we have to perform addition. Now 2x minus 2x should be simplified to remain with 0. And minus 5y minus 3y, it become minus 8y. This will equal to 27 minus 3, remain with 24. This will equivalent to y will equal to 24 divided by minus 8. This will equivalent to y, which is equal to 24 divided by minus 8 equal minus 3. Now, let me call this equation number 3. This is the value of variable y. Then, we can take this variable, this value of y, then replace it in the equation 1. Now, let me put in equation number 3 in equation 1 to find the value of x. Then it will become 2x in equation 1 minus 5y. Y should be replaced with minus 3, which is equal to 27. This will equivalent to 2x minus times minus, it become plus 5 times 3, it become 15, which is equal to 27. Then this will equivalent to 2x 15 should be moved to the right side, it become 27 minus 15. This equivalent to x will equal to 27 minus 15 equal 12. Thus, x will equal to 12 divided by 2. This will equivalent to x equal 6. Then remember to write solution, which is equal to value of x is 6 and the value of y is minus 3.